Hello everybody, welcome to a quick tutorial on how to use an app called Book Creator. Book Creator is the number 2 from the left up here. Now Book Creator is an app where you can create your own ebooks. And in ebooks you can play videos and sounds, and you can put in pictures and of course put in writings and so on, and it's a very nice creative app. If you want to create your own book, you either press new book up here left, or you choose the plus in the bottom. I'll just choose the plus to show you other possibilities. So here I would of course choose new book, but I could also duplicate other books that I've been doing already, or combine books if I want to do that, and so on. We will not get into that, but just to let you know that these possibilities are there also. I press new book. So when I do that, it opens up the possibility to choose between 6 different templates. The 3 on top here is the classical simple version of the books. That's the one I'll be showing you in a moment. The 3 in the bottom here is gives you the possibility to use some cartoon options and so on. I will not show you that now. You can dig in yourself. But I will try to make a very quick book, and I'll choose landscape. And this opens up an empty book with a front page and, as you can see, 2 other pages. But you can add many more pages, so actually I guess as many as you would like. So the first thing I will do is now put something on the cover of the page, and it gives me the possibility to show you what you can actually put in. So what you need to look at now is the plus here up at the right corner. When I press that, it gives me the possibility to add photos. By that it means add photos and videos. It gives me the possibility to open the camera and either take a photo or a video. I can do drawings in a simple format. I can add text. I can add sound. And there are some more possibilities over here, shapes, files and stuff like that. I'll not go into that. I'll simply show you the simple version. So let's get back to media. I know I have a picture that I want to use on my front page, so I'll choose photos and open my camera roll, as you can see here, and go look for a nice picture. I think I have a nice picture here. There you go. I'll take a nice picture there. This is from another project we've been making. So now I actually have a picture on my front page. I can change the size by dragging the corner. I can move it around. I can even angle it by turning it with my fingers. So I'm satisfied with the size. You can even see how I can place it in the middle. So this is my front page, and the book needs a cover also, a title, sorry. If I press the plus, I then add text, and I can write something. I'll just write, "This is my new book." Press done, and I actually have a title here that I can move around as I like to. It's a little bit boring as it's placed here. Could be interesting if it's bigger or nicer letters and so on, and I can do that. So as long as it's marked, you can see it by the blue line. I instead press the button with the I in up here, and this opens up something you might recognize from when you're writing in Word and stuff like that, the possibility to change things. On top I can change the size. I can make it bold if I like to. I can change the type to something more fun. Let's try this one. This looks a little bit more fun. I go back. I could change colors. There you go. And I could, for instance, put a little bit of shadow on it also. Now, this of course now looks silly. So what I need to do is to put my finger on the one circle here and drag it to the end, and now it looks much nicer. So now my book has a picture and a title. I'll go to the next by simply pressing, you can see the arrow, and open here again. What I like to do now is to show you how I can, in the situation, video record and put the video in. So I'll press on camera, and as you can see, I can now take a photo or change to video. I change to video, and I'm in a very boring room, but that's how it is. I press, I video record a little bit on the door and so on, and then I'm happy about that. I stop. In the right corner, I press on use video, and as you can see now my video is in the book. I can change the size. I can't give it another angle like with pictures, but that's okay anyway. So, and if you want to see it that it already works, I can show you how. As you can see, I video record a little bit on the door and so on. So this is how you put in videos, and I could do the same with videos that I've been recording before. Could be like some of the ones I've been making in Puppet Pals or My Talking Pet. Anyway, let's go to the next page. So now I want to show you how you can use a photo in combination with the pen and add sound. So I'll press the photo, and I know I have my little picture here with Winston Churchill. I use that. So I will press the pen now. It opens a very simple drawing tool. So I could, just for the fun of it, write Winston. And maybe, yes, things like that. And when I'm happy, done, as you can see, I can actually change the size and move it around, stuff like that. But maybe it needs to be full size anyway. And there you go. So the final thing I want to do with this picture here is then to add sound. Now pressing add sound gives me the possibility to record what I'm saying right now. You can see the red button. In a moment I will start recording and say something. Hello, my name is Winston Churchill, and I'm the Prime Minister of UK. And I stop the recording, and if I'm happy with it, I press yes. And then you can see I get this icon here. So if I press it, hello, my name is Winston Churchill, and I'm the Prime Minister of UK. So as you can hear, it actually plays what I just said, and I can move it around. I can change the size, and this means that I can connect audio storytelling with pictures and so on, and it's up to my imagination what to use it for. Now this has a fun extra feature, because if I place it here, it looks maybe not so nice. It covers a part of the great picture, but with this icon marked, and if I press the eye here up, I can now make it invisible in iBooks, as you can see here. So if I press there, you can already see it's not that visible anymore. You can still see it, but if you open it in the reading format, you're actually not supposed to read the book within Book Creator. You read it in an app called iBooks. But I can show you how it looks in iBooks by pressing up the play button here up in the right corner. There you go. So now you can see this is my book, and I can go from page to page. Here was the video, and here's Winston Churchill, and you cannot see the audio button. But if I press him,
Hello, my name
We
is
can
Winston
actually hear it.
Churchill, and I'm the Prime Minister
So you
of
can hide
UK.
the audio functionality, which is a great tool, because then you can use it on many things on the picture, and it's up to you to figure out what to say with it. But it's kind of a nice tool. Anyway, I think that's about what you need to know with. And now one more thing. So if we go back and we say this is the book we want to share with other people, we go down below here with the square and the arrow, and I press there, and you can see now I could export this in many different formats. Export as EPUB means that it's exported to an app called iBooks, and you read it like I showed you just before. If I want to export it as a PDF, I can do that too. But of course, the videos and the audio disappear. But if your book is based mainly on pictures and text, this is a nice functionality, and you have actually created your own PDF. And finally, I'm not sure you will always use it, but it's an interesting possibility. It says export as video. Let's just do that so if I press that and press save video, it turns the entire book into a video where it goes from page to page, and let me show you. I will go out in my camera roll, and here's my video. So now I press it, and it gives a certain amount of time, then it changes to the page, and if there's a video on the page, it then plays on the door,
the entire video,
and then I'm happy with
and when it's finished, it stops and goes to the next page.
Hello, my name is Winston Churchill,
Winston
and I'm the Prime Minister of
and that's it.
UK.
Okay, that's it for now. Hope you can use the information. Bye.